And one final reason of why you should specifically start on YouTube is YouTube is actually looking for clusters of a particular type of person in a particular audience. Here's what I mean. You might say, well, there's already a bunch of soccer channels. Do you know how many football fans there are in the world? Yeah, unlimited. So if there's people who are watching soccer channels, highlight channels, tips of how to get better at soccer, what the YouTube algorithm does is it studies your consumption behavior of the viewer. It starts building a profile around you. And Google owns YouTube, so even Google has an entire profile around you. Google sees you searching when you're logged in for soccer clothes or soccer stats or soccer whatever. You go over to YouTube, Google has that information. So even your homepage can be recommending soccer content to you. So if you figure out your angle on things, and also if you figure out that there's channels with millions of subscribers, the practicality of you growing a channel to 10,000 subscribers with some decent soccer content is like the lowest hanging fruit on planet Earth right now. The long tail opportunity, maybe not to be the top 10 channels of soccer, but to even build a channel that spits out $32,000 a year talking about soccer is more real today than it ever has been before. So what happens is when you actually join a proven niche where there is competition and you bring something to that niche, YouTube will recommend your content once it starts to understand that your channel is about golf or entrepreneurship or about cars. Like the way the algorithm works is it finds people who love consuming political content, and then your video with the right title and the right thumbnail on the right topic with the right content at the right time gets uploaded, and boom, one of your videos pops off, hits 1 million views. Just by being monetized, you can get a couple $1,000s off of that instance, and that is so common. Like, I know it might, of course, the guy who wrote the book, YouTube Secrets, on the podcast is gonna like I want to underhype it, but we work with.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.